this is Sunny from My Happy Space, just hopping on to help you prepare for this coming week's memory verse. So we are looking at our new memory verse, 2 Corinthians 5:17, and we are taking our daily verse, which we are memorizing last week, and we put it on the even section for the even days of the week. We take our even verse and we put it on the odd sections of the day, and then we take our odd section and we put it under Monday, and then you put this verse under daily. So for the next coming week, you can always have a daily verse to memorize. If it's an even day, like the 2nd or the 4th, you've got a memory verse to memorize there. If it's an odd day, like the 1st or the 3rd, you've got an odd day memory verse to memorize. And then tomorrow is going to be the only time you also have to memorize this week a memory verse, till obviously we filled up all the days of the week and then further into all the days of the month. So this is what we're doing this week. So it's a beautiful verse. It's 2 Corinthians 5:17. And obviously what I've done is I've set up everything already for this week. This is last week. So what I will do is I will start writing my memory verse out here. This is also the way I memorize, is by writing things out. As I always say, it helps to write things out, but also do it in your style of learning, whatever your style is. Do it to memorize the verse. So I hope you have fun, and I will talk to you soon. So we will go on to the meditation bit of this verse on Wednesday, and then we'll dig a little bit deeper into this verse. Hope to see you soon.